Somebody brought a lobster claws today, and, well, they were stinky. Really, 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 really stinky. And I smelled them, and they smelled gross as fish claws.
Are you sure, Jack?
Yes, I am.
Are you
Why
sure,
did
Stika?
they bring them?
Because it was from dinner one time, and the person who brought them was named Jude.
And Jude brought stinky lobster claws from dinner to show and tell?
Yeah.
Wow! That sounds yummy.
That's what he did?
Yeah.
Well,
Real lobster claws. And they've been in the freezer for like 119,000 weeks.
really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And how did they look?
They looked like real lobster claws.
But how did they smell?
So they looked like this.
No. They smelled like poop. Really bad. And
So diarrhea?
yes. It smelled like diarrhea. And the restaurant killed lobster